So we are at the Richmond night market. It's not night, but it's evening, 7 p.m. With this over here signs, you can see it's the Richmond night market. Usually everything is on Chinese. Here is the stands. And there, over there is the lineup from here and everything until here. So after 1 hour, I hope we can be inside. Let's go over there. It's a dinosaur. It's alive! Here's business. Whoa! Whoa! So, are we going to Jurassic Park or night market? So over here we have good side, and we're just waiting for Jim Carrey to come out from behind. Let's wait a little bit. Maybe he's not inside. We will see in a few moments. Ooh, look at this thieves. Finally inside after more than 1.5 hours waiting in the line. We are here. Yes, we are inside, and we will go eat something. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So that's a bubble tea lineup. So everybody's waiting for bubble tea. So we'll come back later. So bubble tea is finished, almost. Strawberry bubble tea without strawberries. So now we're just looking for sugar cane juice. I will show you a picture over there. Here it is. It's tasty. Sea flavor. What do you think about it? Try from this side. It's good? It's like chips. That's look very nice. I will order. Where is it? I will order this sweet one and tzatziki. Oh, some Greek fish. After ordering everything, I got number. It's 48. We're waiting for 48. Sweet one.
Number 45?
So, that's tzatziki and sweet one. Sweet Thai. And you have, what do you have? Oh, here it is. It's tasty? Did you try it? This is good. With chili. Is it yours? Good. good. That sweet one with chili is perfect.
Chili?
Yeah, it's chili and sugar. Very tasty.
Interesting.
So we always try to try something new, and this is for sure something new for us. So what's life without oysters? I need to order at least one piece to try. That's oyster with cheese, and here is a barbecue oyster. Big one. And here is our long-awaited mango. That's a big one.
Is that for me?
Yeah, of course. Are you happy now?
Yeah.
So that was it for today. It's almost midnight. We're going home. We didn't try all food, but because you can try this. This is more than 500 kind of different food. Fish, mostly I try. Meat, pork, I didn't even try because I can try that every day. So have a great day. Hope you like this short movie. See ya. Bye.